subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss an update.
Hi everyone! Well, I was garage sailing and now I've shifted gears and I want to bring you an inside version of Team Resale. It's a charity resale shop in Tomball, Texas. And come inside with me and I'll show you all about it.
Oh, it's always nice to look at their glass shelves up front, and this looks like it could be Irish crystal. Very inviting. It's not Waterford, it's Galway. Oh, that is lovely. Let's see how much it is. $35? I think I might have to take that home. It's still new with the sticker. This is a Fostoria American pattern divided dish. What a great deal, $7. I like the blue glass. So many great options for bowls and baskets. That's a nice pressed glass piece. And this china looks English. Let's take a look. It's Coldport, the April pattern, which was later bought by Wedgwood. And this sunflower tree, it's not for sale, it's their decor, but I just had to show it to you. I have so many viewers and friends that love sunflowers. The dirndl, oh, that's great for Oktoberfest. My daughter would like that. And the turkey platter, great for Thanksgiving. I have a smattering of holiday items. This is my favorite part of the store. As you go up the ramp, turn right, and there you have the glassware and dishes. Oh, it looks like a collector's Coca-Cola bottle. I like the smoky glasses, Mardi Gras colors. It's really a great place for dinner parties. If you're looking for colored glassware, look at this. That's a green tag. That means that it's half price. Love it. With the gold rim, that's really nice too. It looks like it's etched. So many glassware options. And this is interesting. I like the square base. That is definitely vintage, but there's only one piece. So you could use it as maybe a little candy dish. 25th anniversary, the silver overlay would have been perfect for my anniversary in August. Cake stand. And that's great for gifting. They have 2 boxes of them, a total of 12. Aspen leaf patterned salad plates. Don't forget, resale shops are great for gifting. These salt and pepper shakers look really old. You could put new corks in them for $1. Why not? This is Sarah's Garden. These beautiful candlesticks are part of that pattern. It was created for Sarah, the Duchess of York, when she was the spokesperson for Wedgwood. That's a bit pricey, but it's the green tag. And this set is lovely. Again, priced individually. I'm sure anyone that would buy it would buy the whole set. It's so pretty and classic. And here, this Glendale by Valmont is one price. Those are nice, especially if you just get one for collection. This plate looks interesting and old. Looks like the Black Forest, the way they're dressed. And look, it's German. It's the wedding procession. I am definitely taking this home. That looks old. This is a great oval centerpiece. It reminds me of Capodimonte, which is an Italian pottery. Let's turn it over and take a look. Yes, it's from Italy. For $15, I am taking that home. I could even see Christmas ornaments as a centerpiece. And here's bamboo. Oh, I love this. It's so pretty. My friend suggested I pick it up. It reminded her of one of the segments that I did with the bamboo tea service. It's odd because one is a green tag, one is not. It's really pretty. And these napkins are in great condition. Looks like they've been cleaned and pressed. And the price is very reasonable. I'll probably not add any napkins to my collection just because I have so many, but that price really is too good to pass up. Oh, there's a neck collar. I wore these in the 80s, surprisingly. Oh, that's great for tea. Really like these. Oh, and the floral applique, that's a round doily, 22 inch, that's quite large. The metal crosses. This is great for creating wall art. I like the Celtic design. I have a lot of friends that collect these. That's quite nice. Look, a bit of England has come to Tomball, Texas. This is a keepsake box from the House of Commons. I can't believe it. You never know what you're gonna find at a resale store. looks like Rudolph and his companion. That's really neat to put in your yard. It comes with the stakes. Of course, you could put a new red ornament for Rudolph. I like the Christmas section. Such fun. Oh, this cookie jar is definitely going home with me for my aunt. She loves penguins. And these are candles that go with the wooden pyramids that you probably have seen before, where you light the candles, place them, and it turns. It's like a fan above. From Germany, there's Santa. That's a beautiful piece. It's a nice candy dish. Perfect for Christmas, but really, you could leave that out all year. Oh, for Valentine's, that would be great too. Look at Frosty with the Charlie Brown tree. And this wreath, my friend was considering. She was talking about ideas where you could actually take this ribbon off and add berries and do something fun, but I think she's gonna pass on that today. Love the Christmas items. And the jewelry tree by the register. This is always fun. You never know what you're gonna find. Gloves. Wouldn't it be great if these would come back in fashion for tea at the Ritz? Love it. It's so feminine. And now for some boutique clothing. It's my favorite section. I like the labels. You can find Talbot's, Coldwater Creek, Cabby, which is my favorite. I did buy this. And oh, I like that green. Let's see what that is, that sweater. Talbot's for the Oprah magazine. That's interesting, $9.99. That's a pretty good deal. Really great clothes, lots of Chicos. Ann Taylor, you can even find petites. And they're very well cared for. White House Black Market. Ann Taylor again. Oh, this is a really neat Christmas ornament. Let's see what's behind the glass. That's a really good deal. That could stand out amongst some red balls in a nice dish for $3. I think I'll take that. Christopher Radko, the pink caddy. I have never seen the caddy Santa before. I've heard about it. And this actually comes with the original stand. It is worth a lot. I am definitely taking this home. That is the coolest Christopher Radko ornament ever. I have so many Mary Kay rep friends. And look, the license plate says I Heart MK. Oh, here's my loot. Got the candles, the German platter, the Italian centerpiece. My friend got some books. And I had to get the Galway vase. Those holly napkins are great too. And some Christmas items. I like how these colors go well together. Could create a story with these. And the ornament is from the Willow Tree Makers, the same company.
Got some great deals today at Team Resale. I'm glad that you came along with me. This is just one of the many finds. And the Mary Kay Christopher Radko ornament I will be flipping on eBay. I checked on my phone while I was shopping, $99, and I paid $16. So I can't wait to make some money and pay for my other purchases. Thanks again for joining Lady Mary Beth. Elevate your everyday with thrifting. Thanks for joining Lady Mary Beth. Please hit like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time for more lifestyle tips.